Today I am going to discuss about quantum theory. This is the beautiful theory in the modern physics. String theory plays a very important role to explain the strong forces and help us to explain other kinds of phenomena in nature. According to the book, very interesting book, The Theory of Everything by Stephen Hawking, in this theory, the general object are not particles that occupies a point in a space at a particular time. It is a wave on a string or a vibrating string. We can compare this case. It was only a length but no other dimension. Like an infinitely thin loop of string. It was originally invented in the late 1916 in an attempt to explain the strong forces. According to this theory, particles like neutron, proton can be regarded as waves on a string or a vibrating string. The strong force between the particles would correspond to the pieces of string. This is very important. The forces between the particle would correspond to the pieces of string that went between other bites of string. Like in a spider web, for this theory to give the observed value of the strong force between particles, the strings had to be like rubber bands with a pull or tension about 10 tons. Strings can be open or closed. We call open vibrating string and closed vibrating string. In this picture, this is closed vibrating string. This picture, this is closed vibrating string. This is the closed vibrating string. This is the closed vibrating string. This is the closed string. So like the video, share the video and subscribe them. Thank you.